Hey guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Car Sweet Sunday Review, where we save you the time of monkeying around, watching videos on 14 different products and trying to decipher which one is the best. When we tell you a product and show you a product, you just need to go buy it because that's what we use, and we've been doing this for years and years and years. Just ask Julio. All right, the first one is this spray bottle right here. One of the best out there, and all the tools will be in the show more of the video's description. No finer mist anywhere. And it's got a nice solid pump. We've never had one of these break. Beautiful sprayer right here. You will not go wrong with it. Don't even try to figure out which ones are the best. This is the best, guaranteed, because Sweet Project Cars tells you it is. Go to the next tool. This little buffer. Watch this video right here if you want to see this in action. This buffer right here is truly one bad hombre. This thing is awesome. You'll see in the video how cool it is. It gets into tight areas, it's small, and it lasts a really long time because it's got a killer battery in it. One of the best we've ever seen. And it comes with the buffing pad as you see here, and these two buffing pads here. Plus, it comes with this awesome attachment. Take that off. You screw this on. And you can add your twist locks on. Just like that. That's it. That's how simple our reviews are. We're not going to show you a bunch of stuff that doesn't work. We're only going to share with you what does work. And guess what? We're not being paid a dime to share either one of these two products with you. Go get them while you can because most of the time they run out.